Hello guys, and again welcome to my channel. Lot Marquez here. Today we're gonna look at my computer. For some reason, when I turn it on, I have a black screen on my monitor. So when you turn on the switch, the fan would quickly rotate and then just stop. So first thing I did, I took out the SD RAM and then turned it back on, and still same problem. Then I put it back, and then the next step, I took out my video card, which is an EVGA GeForce GTX 1060. So I took it out and tried again, and still the same, a black screen. So I thought my next step would be to buy a new power supply. So we'll see if that is the right decision with this kind of problem that I'm having. So I'm gonna update you guys on the next video, and I already ordered a new power supply from Amazon, and we'll see how this turns out. So talk to you guys later. Bye. Guys, one other thing I noticed is when I turn on the switch, the hard drive doesn't start to boot, as if there's no power going to the hard drive. So that is another thing that I kind of based on, that I might need a new power supply. But again, we'll see. So once I get the new power supply, and then we'll replace it, and we'll let you guys know. So okay, later. Hello guys, I'm back. So now I just replaced the power supply. Here's the old one and the new one, and the fan now is running after I turn it on, and right away you can hear the hard drive spinning. So it looks like that's all I need to do. So I'm back. Now I can make more videos for our channel. So I just hope it will, stay this way, because remember, the problem was you turn it on now, it's working, then after a while it will turn off by itself, and we'll have the black screen. So we'll see after a few days of running it, and we'll know if this is really just the power supply that is bad. So okay guys, talk to you guys later. I learned something about this problem, and I hope you guys would also learn from this. So talk to you later. Bye bye guys.